Tommy here.
Welcome to the vlog.
Hanging out with Aaron. Took the skis out to Lake Osborne, but wanted to test it out. I did a Riva Stage 1 tune on it, the Map X or Map Tuner X or whatever it is. And
PSA: if you find water bottles in the water, pick it up, man.
Yep. Don't leave trash around. But it claims to give you 5 miles an hour faster top end. So I was hitting on stock 66, 67. This is speedo, this isn't GPS, but I was hitting 66, 67 stock. With the tuner and other mods that I did to it, I'm hitting 72 now. So the claims are true. You actually do get 5 miles more out of the top end, and I'm happy with it. The acceleration is like night and day. Love it. But we're out there having fun.
It's so angry.
So I don't know what these guys are doing. I think they're trying to catch an iguana. There it goes. They caught it. They got an iguana. That's pretty cool.